they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet and you do talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, my this is so cool. I'm sitting at a bench, and I'm reading my book, and I look at the next one, it's this car, and it's going, that's right, French. I was like, wow. And Laura,
And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguette.